Have you ever wondered if your job is safe from being automated? Well, in this video, we are going to explore how artificial intelligence is making its way into the creative industries and replacing jobs that were once thought to be safe. Hare Krishna everyone, I am Tanmay and let's start with the video. Going back in time when there were only predictions about what artificial intelligence can do, and its possibilities and what all jobs can it replace, all of us were so sure about only the jobs which did not require any creative work will be automated. But now that we are seeing there is a transition phase and AI is being introduced to the world with rapid developments, these old predictions kind of seem irrelevant. Now we experience that AI can even replace creative jobs due to the tremendous amount of data sets that are available. This is due to the availability of massive amounts of information that can be used to train the models which AI uses to generate its outputs. Millions of thumbnails are available on YouTube and there are millions of designs and millions of lines of code that when combined can replace a large set of jobs across various industries. A huge portion of the success of these AI chatbots is based on their language models. So if you are rating those articles that say that ChatGPT is only 4 months old, then thanks to its large language models that are actually gathering information for such a long time, and they are being trained by specialists and on these datasets for quite some time now. Google in this blog showed their artificial intelligence language model Lambda on May 18, 2021, about 2 years back, and obviously its research and development started way before. It is because of these language models, as a result of which these chatbots that we are actually seeing today are gaining such huge success thanks to these datasets which have taken a great time in the making. GPT-3 was released in 2020, which means that it was also being developed for a long time then, successive from GPT-2 to the current GPT that uses GPT-4 that we see today. These powerful AI and chatbots are not perfect either. Users of ChatGPT found that the bot can generate misinformation, incorrectly answer coding problems, and produce errors even in basic maths. And all of us have also seen the answer about James Webb Telescope by Google's own Bard. And even at the time of scripting this video, I was too lazy to type all by myself, so I decided to go with voice typing. And all these voice typing models have been there for quite some time now, but even after being trained on so much of data, these voice typing models are nowhere close to recognizing human voice to that level of accuracy. There are always words that it misinterprets, there are always sentences that it did not recognize correctly. So now you can assume that there is still a huge workaround over this. These are not even to that level where we can get a seamless experience without any other intervention. And even if these all are artificial intelligences, and even if these all are artificial intelligence, they are not to that level or even close where they can be called better than humans in most of the scenarios, even at any time sooner across all the industries and work which humans perform. Moreover, there is one more problem with it, that a lot of fake content can be produced, as a result of which a lot of people can be fooled. So a solution has to be developed and implemented to recognize this fake news and content that is spreading with further AI development. Now coming up to the next question, can it replace me? Not only me, but you guys as well. And yes, even if they are able to replace jobs to some extent and automate them, we are talking about the creative jobs over here, then also there will always be a need for human intervention and for the experts in those particular fields. So if you want to stand out from the crowd, make sure to be at an expert level in your duty. And while this is not the first time that technology has replaced us, remember this phrase: history repeats itself. Remember the introduction of pocket-sized music players? The DVD and cassettes were replaced. This means that the people who were working and even those who were associated with these jobs were also replaced, and they all moved to other industries. Similarly, Netflix changed the way we used to consume movies and content. The dot-com growth removed a huge amount of jobs from the market, but at the same time, it created new ones as well. The history of humans entering into digital era every time has removed and simultaneously created new jobs in works for us as well. The need of AI is only to help and assist humans, not to remove us from the game. Finally, to conclude with the question, will AI be able to replace jobs across industries? It may be able to do it or it may be not. But those people will obviously replace you who are using these technologies to improve themselves. They will be able to do it more quickly, more easily, and to a better level than you. So it's time to use it for your betterment without being upset over these advancements. Think of artificial intelligence in the opposite way as you think of it now. These are to be used for productivity enhancement rather than replacing someone. So that was it for this video. I hope that it cleared all your doubts. And if this video added some value to your life, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, share it with your friends, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. Radhe Radhe.